talk bulbs, because my Volkswagen T6, the headlights on it are absolutely rubbish. They are really bad. Now, this model, it's not got the HID headlights in it. It's got standard bulbs. These are the H4 bulbs. What can you do? What can you do to improve this? Do you change out the headlights? You can get a conversion. You can put some fancy headlights in there with the HID aftermarket fit. You could even spend a few £1,000s and get the original ones. Or is there a cheaper option? Well, do you know what? Somebody told us about these bulbs, these Phillips, what they're called, Racing Vision. I was a bit dubious. I thought, let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. This is what the headlights looked like before I put them in. You can see there's very little distance vision there, not a lot at all. It's very dark. And this is what they look like after. Even though it's raining a bit more, you can see the distance is a lot more visible. Now I'll run this side by side so you can actually do a really good comparison. The shot on the left is the old bulb and the shot on the right is the new ones. Then there's definitely a difference. But I tell you what, I'm really impressed with these. They're not cheap. They retail at about 40 quid, but I know you can pick them up for around about 25. There's a lot of people doing deals on them. Get them off the internet. And I've just checked as we speak on Amazon, they're running at £24.99. The difference, they say on here, they quote 150% more brightness. I don't know whether it is, I don't know, but they are definitely a lot better, a lot brighter. The lights were that bad before. When you were going down a country lane, you struggled to make things out in the distance, and yeah, if they got a little bit of dirt on them as well, oh, you were a nightmare. You know, you couldn't see where you were going. So this is the new bulbs on dipped beam down a country lane where it's absolutely pitch black, and we've got really good distance vision now. I feel it's twice as good as it was before. You really can pick out things in the distance now. So yeah, definitely worthwhile changing them. I think if you went for the HID headlights, you would have a lot more power. But for a quick, cheap fix, this is a really good. It's a really good product. It really is. I'm really impressed with it. Massive difference. I well recommend these. Really do. They're a bit tricky to fit on these T6s. Bit tight getting down the back of that headlight. But you can change them without taking anything off. You can get your hand in and get in there and do it, but it's a little bit fiddly. As you can see, this is the driver's side, and you've not got a lot of room between that airbox and the back of the headlight, but yeah, pop the clip and you can pull the little backing plate up. There's two lugs on the bottom of that, look, which then gives you enough room to get your hand in. Now, it's really tight, but you can get down there. There's the spring clip at the top, and you just push that over to the left and then swing it down once you've pulled the wire off the back, and then obviously you can just slide this cap back down again, locate it in the two little holes at the bottom, which is down there somewhere, there we go, and fold it in and push the spring retaining clip back down again to hold the cap on. Nice and easy. Like I say, bit tight, but it's well doable, and the other side is much easier. And there's the beautiful bulb lit in there. It's got a little blue tinge to it, look. Thanks for watching. Drop me a comment if you think they're crap and you've had a go. Let me know. Yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.